Hello everyone, my name is Abolade and I'm originally from Nigeria, but I currently live in Canada. I'm a public health professional and also an online business owner.
Hi, my name is Harriet. I'm originally from Nigeria. I live in the United Kingdom. I am a healthcare professional and a digital business owner.
Hi, my name is Adebola Kolawole from New York, a wife, a mom, a human services specialist, and an online entrepreneur.
Hi there, my name is Claudia Shutani. I'm originally from Cameroon and I'm based in the United States of America with my family. I am married and a mother of 3 boys. I am a healthcare worker here in the US.
Hi everyone, my name is Boye and this is my husband Yoloye. Originally we are from Nigeria, but presently we live in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Hi, I'm a healthcare worker and he's an IT professional.
Hi everyone, this is Esther Umilabu. I'm from Nigeria. I live in New Jersey and I run an online business.
I just want to present this business opportunity to you, which I found online a couple of months ago. And I actually started my business exactly 4 months after I moved into Canada with my family. I've been a victim of job loss in the past, and I knew what this did to me. When my job was taken away from me, it was as if my life ended. And for me, I am an advocate of having something by the side, having a plan B. Years back, I didn't have my plan B, and when they took the job from me, it was as if that was the end. But you can have your business by the side, which you can build for the future. You can have it by the side. It does not affect your regular job. And then you can build it so that in case anything happens, you can fall.
And I started this business because I wanted quality time with my family. I wanted to be there for my kids, for those little milestones. Every parent wants to see their kids achieve those milestones. And I wanted time to spend with my family, to attend those events and all of that. So far, the business has been a blessing to me and to my family. It not only gives me extra income, but it gives me that quality time to spend with my kids, to spend with my husband, to spend with my family. I'm so grateful I found this business. I'm so thankful to God for this business.
We were looking for a business opportunity that could generate a second income for the family, but we didn't know how to start. When we found this business opportunity, we watched the webinar and we did our due diligence and we realized that this is actually a good fit for our need. Ever since we started, it has been an amazing one for us.
I started this business because I was interested in, having time to spend with my family, not missing out on very important milestones in the lives of my young children. I also wanted a second stream of income. I wanted something that offered flexibility, that would allow me travel, in particular to visit other members of my family that aren't in the same location as myself. So far it's been so rewarding. There's so many benefits, so many members of the community available for mentorship, to coach, and to just make the process nice and a rewarding one.
I decided to get on board this particular business opportunity because at that time I needed a plan B, and not just any plan B. I needed one that was going to be flexible with time so that I can have enough time to spend with my family, to do the things that I'm most passionate about, at the same time achieve my goals of financial independence and early retirement.
The main reason I started this business is that I wanted to work wherever and however I want. I wanted a business that could run without me. I wanted to be in charge of my own time. And I also needed, that extra, cash. I started a few months ago, and trust me, I'm loving every bit of it. I love the flexibility. I love the fact that I can be with my family while the business runs in the background. I'm enjoying every bit of it, and the journey has been amazing.
It has given us control of our time. It has also given us the opportunity to spend quality time together as a family while our business runs in the background. It has also allowed us the flexibility to work on our own terms and at our own pace and from the comfort of our own home.
I'm loving my business all the way. I started just a few months ago and I can tell you that this business is changing my life already. I work on my own terms and at my own time, from the comfort of my home. No restriction of place or location or time. If you're looking to start an online business and you don't know how or where to begin, I'm inviting you to come and check us out today. Check us out and see what our business can do for you. This business has changed a lot of lives all over the world, and I know it can also change yours. The system is proven with results. The system is ready and set to go. All you need to do is plug in.
So if you're thinking of going into online business, this business is for you. This business is very flexible. You can actually do it anywhere, and it's very lucrative. And you don't need any skills to do it. Anyone can do it.
We have a pandemic ongoing and people are losing their jobs. They don't have anything to fall back to. All you have to do is to check our webinar, which will tell you more about our business. We have an amazing community of like-minded people. We have a training that you will go through. You will be assigned a mentor and a coach. So just check it out and see what this business can do for you, because you've got nothing to lose. Absolutely nothing to lose. All I tell you to do right now is to take that leap of faith and change your life with this amazing business opportunity.
So what are you waiting for? Why don't you take that bold step and join us? I'm very, very sure you'll be glad you did.
And I encourage you to join us. If you want to know more, just hit us up and we're going to let you through the whole journey. Thank you, and see you on the inside, which is the winning side.